Alright, what I got here is a 2002 Nissan Altima. Just did an engine swap on it. Now I got this annoying whining noise. I know it's not my power steering. It's back over here. Sounds like it's coming from there. I know it's not my alternator because I took the belt off. And the way I found the issue is to take some brake cleaner from your local parts store, spray it around the intake. See right here, listen to the engine change. Ready? Yeah. Gotcha. On mine, there's a loose intake bolt, a nut right there. I'm gonna tighten it up and that should fix it. Listen. Yeah. As soon as it cools up, I'm going to tighten it up so it doesn't come back again.